Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a sleek storefront with Squarespace detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for a Squarespace account. Choose a template that aligns with your vision for a sleek storefront. Once selected, click on Start with this design. Navigate to the site editor to begin customization. Start by clicking on the Edit button in the upper left corner. Upload your logo by clicking on the logo area in the header. Make sure your logo is high resolution for a professional appearance. Next, customize the color scheme to reflect your brand identity. Go to the Design section and select Site Styles. Adjust colors for text, background, and buttons to ensure cohesion. Now, focus on the navigation menu. Access the Pages panel to organize your store's layout. Create the necessary sections like Shop, About, and Contact. For each page, add product images by clicking on Add Block. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Be sure to write compelling product descriptions to attract customers. Configure product settings such as pricing and inventory. In the Commerce section, set up payment options for smooth transactions. Enable shipping and tax settings to comply with regulations. Preview your storefront by clicking on the Preview button at the top. Make adjustments based on your preview to ensure everything looks professional. Once satisfied, click Save to publish your changes. Share your new sleek storefront with your audience through social media and email. Continue to monitor and update your store regularly to keep it fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.